नमस्कार, विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी में आपका स्वागत है। और आज का दिन 4 जुलाई के बाद का वो सोमवार है जब परंपरा है 4 जुलाई को विशेष रूप से मनाने की। और वो क्या परंपरा है उसका जिक्र हम बाद में करेंगे, पर बात करते हैं आज के इस विजन ऑफ एशिया कार्यक्रम में आप तक पहुंचने वाली 2 खास रिपोर्ट्स की। पहली रिपोर्ट्स के लिए हम धन्यवाद देंगे व्हाइट हाउस को। और व्हाइट हाउस ने जिस तरह से 4 जुलाई सेलिब्रेट किया उसमें क्या कहा राष्ट्रपति बाइडेन ने, वो और फायरवर्क्स आप तक पहुंचाएंगे। साथ ही आज एक रिपोर्ट साई मंदिर बालविन से जो 4 जुलाई को अपनी 20वीं वार्षिक वर्षगांठ मना रहा था इस वर्ष। तो ये दोनों रिपोर्ट्स करेंगी आपकी प्रतीक्षा। इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद बने रहें हमारे साथ। विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में फिर एक बार आपका स्वागत है। आज हम शुरुआत कर रहे हैं 4 जुलाई वीकेंड के बाद में 4 जुलाई यानी अमेरिका के स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर आपको बधाइयां पेश करने के साथ, बड़े उत्साह के साथ में, उमंगों के साथ में अपनी स्वाधीनता की परंपरा का सम्मान करते हुए ऐतिहासिक रूप से न्यूयॉर्क वासियों ने भी कल आतिशबाजी छुड़ाकर अपनी प्रसन्नता और उत्साह व्यक्त करने में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी। पर साथ ही साथ आतिशबाजी की इस परंपरा का निर्वाह व्हाइट हाउस ने भी किया। और आज जब हम आपको व्हाइट हाउस द्वारा 4 जुलाई के उत्सव को मनाए जाने के कार्यक्रम की कुछ झलकियों की तरफ ले जा रहे हैं, तो आपके साथ याद कर लें 1-2 फन फैक्ट्स जो जुड़े हुए हैं 4 जुलाई के साथ में, या यूं कहें कि कुछ ऐसी अचूकी बातें जिनके बारे में शायद आपका ध्यान अभी न हो। हॉट डॉग्स खाने की एक परंपरा है अमेरिका में, और बताया जाता है कि 150 मिलियन हॉट डॉग्स अमेरिकी इस 4 जुलाई के बाद वाले दिन या 4 जुलाई को, विशेष करके 5 जुलाई को वो खाते हैं। अब इस परंपरा के पीछे क्या है उस तरफ न जाते हुए एक और बात जिसका संबंध 4 जुलाई से है वो ये है कि इस दिन माना ये जाता है कि जो डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस है उसको साइंड किया गया था, उस पर हस्ताक्षर किए गए थे, जो कि बात सही नहीं है। इस दिन एडॉप्ट हुआ था लेकिन हस्ताक्षर बाद में हुए थे। तो इसके साथ साथ एक और बात जो थोड़ी सी गंभीर है पर 4 जुलाई के साथ जुड़ी है और अमेरिका के इतिहास के साथ जुड़ी है, इसलिए उसको आपके साथ बांटा जाए। समहाउ कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि 4 जुलाई को अमेरिका ने 3 पूर्व राष्ट्रपतियों को खोया था, जिसमें से थॉमस जेफरसन, जॉन एडम्स और जेम्स मनरो शामिल हैं। बहुत सारी बातों को छोड़ते हुए अमेरिका जैसे महान राष्ट्र के स्थापना के पीछे जो मूल भावना रही है उसका उल्लेख राष्ट्रपति बाइडेन ने अपने 4 जुलाई के संबोधन में भी किया। तो आपको लिए चलते हैं उनके संबोधन और साथ ही साथ दिखलाएंगे आतिशबाजी जिससे जुड़ा रहा व्हाइट हाउस इस 4 जुलाई को।
What we've gotten right, what we've gotten wrong. It's a measure of the greatness of America, and we are a great nation. We don't seek to bury the wrongs. We face it. We work to make it right. You know, history tells us that when we stand together, when we unite in common cause, when we see ourselves not as Republicans or Democrats, but as Americans, then there's simply no limit to what we can achieve. None. And today, we see the results of the unity of purpose. The unity of purpose in forging in our nation, we're forging in our nation. For together, we're beating the virus. Together, we're breathing life into our economy. Together, we will rescue our people from division and despair. But together, we must do it. Over the past year, we've lived through some of our darkest days. Now, I truly believe, I give my word as a Biden, I truly believe we're about to see our brightest future. Folks, this is a special nation, a great nation. And there is a timeless truth about America. The most powerful idea in the history of the world, in the hearts of the people of this country. It beats in all our hearts. No matter your race or ethnicity, no matter your gender identity or sexual orientation, no matter your disability, no matter your faith, it beats in the hearts of rich and poor alike. It unites America. Whether your ancestors were native to this land or brought here forcibly and enslaved, whether you were immigrants from generations back like my family that came from Ireland, or you're coming here today looking to build a better life for your family like our fellow Americans I just swore in the White House 2 days ago. The American creed, we use that phrase, the American creed, is we're all equal, created equal. It was written a long time ago. But the genius is that every generation of Americans has expanded it wider and wider to include those who were excluded before. That's why it's never gathered dust in our history books. It's still alive today. Alive in our hearts, alive in the work of our hands, alive not only in the history we read, but in the history we're making. My fellow Americans, now we are the guardians of that very idea of America. It's up to us to save it, to preserve it, to build on it. And I know we will. On this sacred day, I look out to those monuments on our National Mall and beyond them, into the hearts of our people across the land. And I know this, it's never, ever been a good bet to bet against America. Never. We just have to remember who we are. We are the United States of America. And there's nothing we can't do if we do it together. Folks, happy 4th of July, America. God bless you all. And may God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम ITV गोल्ड पर। यह कार्यक्रम सोम, मंगल, बुध और गुरुवार को शाम 8 बजे आप तक पहुंचाने के अलावा इसका एक साप्ताहिक खास अंक आपकी सेवा में पेश किया जाता है रविवार को सुबह 11 बजे। हमारा साथ देने के लिए आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए निवेदन है, बने रहें हमारे साथ, जारी रहेगा कार्यक्रम इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। आप देख रहे हैं विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम, और आज आपको हम लिए चलते हैं एक ऐसे उत्सव की तरफ जिसका संबंध 4 जुलाई से तो है, पर वो 4 जुलाई अलग रूप से मनाई जा रही थी साई मंदिर बालविन में, क्योंकि आज ही के दिन यानी 4 जुलाई के दिन 2002 में इस्टेब्लिश हुआ अमेरिका में पहला शिरडी साई मंदिर, और स्थापना का श्रेय डॉक्टर नूरी दत्तात्रेय और उनकी धर्मपत्नी को जाता है। इस अवसर पर उत्सव को मनाने के लिए इंडियन कौंसल जनरल जो अमेरिका में है रणदीप जायसवाल, वो भी उपस्थित थे। साथ ही साथ एक 8 पृष्ठ का विशेष सप्लीमेंट निकाला द साउथ एशियन टाइम्स ने, पब्लिशर कमलेश मेहता भी इस अवसर पर उपस्थित थे, और साथ ही साथ डॉक्टर गद्दम रेड्डी ने भी उपस्थित भक्तों को संबोधित किया। पेश है इस कार्यक्रम में हमारी ये खास रिपोर्ट। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ अशोक व्यास और साई राम के अभिवादन के साथ साई मंदिर बालविन से जब मैं आपसे संबोधित हो रहा हूँ तो यह जो विग्रह पीछे है जिसमें शिरडी बाबा मुस्कुराते हुए विशेष आभा के साथ जैसे आज दर्शन दे रहे हैं, उसका एक कारण इस पूरे परिसर में जो उत्सव है उसके मूल में है इस स्थान पर बाबा की सन्निधि के 20 बरस पूरे हो जाना। तो 20वीं एनिवर्सरी साई मंदिर बालविन की पूरी श्रद्धा, उल्लास और भक्ति के साथ साथ उमंगों से जो मनाई जा रही है, उसके मूल में इस मंदिर की स्थापना के पीछे जो नूरी फाउंडेशन के डॉक्टर नूरी दत्तात्रेय रहे हैं, उनमें जो विशेष उत्साह और अनुराग है बाबा के प्रेम को लेकर, वो भी संचरित हो रहा है यहाँ पर जो भक्तजन आते हैं उनके भीतर। और किस तरह से 20 वर्षों में ये एक सेकंड होम जैसा बन गया है बहुत सारे श्रद्धालुओं के लिए, वो भी आपको इस रिपोर्ट में जानने को मिलेगा। और हम आप तक पहुंचाएंगे रिपोर्ट 20th एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशन की साई मंदिर बालविन से। And your presence here at Sai Mandir Balwin, how was the feeling for you? It was a discovery for me to learn that you have been going to Shirdi, and so comparing your experience with that temple. And
it is a real honor, I must say, and it is the blessings of the divine that I am here to participate in the 20th anniversary of Shirdi Temple in Long Island. I have been to the Shirdi Temple in Shirdi several times to seek the blessings of Sai Baba, and the feeling I have here is exactly the feeling that I have there. So in that sense there is a very strong direct connect, very strong direct linkage between the two places, and I hope this temple will continue to shower its blessings on all the devotees, on everybody around here, and hopefully with the blessings of the Almighty we will be able to get better of the pandemic and we all will be happy and healthy. So thank you very much.
Start again. Okay. Sai Ram, I'm so happy to be standing with Padma Shri Dr. Nuri Dattatreya ji, who looks at his devotion for Sai Baba as the topmost award in his life, if I may say, in his presence. And he's sharing that award of love, joy, devotion, shraddha with one and all through various temples. And this temple celebrated its 20th anniversary today. So let me begin by requesting you to share your feeling how the day has unfolded.
Thank you, Ashok ji. This is a very special day for me and for all Sai devotees here, because this is the first Sai Mandir in the United States. We opened that 20 years ago, and from that point onwards devotees started coming from all over eastern part of America, and that has led me to establish another center in Islin. But this is the first one in America, and not only the first one, it has a few other features here. That is, there are no board of trustees in our organization. Everything is done by volunteers, service, and Sai Baba is our chairman of the board. He gives us ideas and we implement them. And today is very special because this will rejuvenate the inspiration among all devotees. And as the pandemic rules are slowly eased, people started coming out to the mandir, and I'm very happy to see so many came to take blessings of Baba today.
Shirdi Sai Baba, whose sculpture, his grandson sculptured this auspicious murti of Sai Baba. I am coming to this mandir more than 12 years. There are so many activities going on in this mandir. Last 19 years, we have Bal Vikas. Every Sunday, more than 75 students get together at this temple, and we teach them the value of our Hindu culture.
This 20th anniversary of this celebration by Dr. Nori and Subhadra and all the other people you are here. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
There are so many devotees who come from all over USA, and they come here. They are so focused. They're great devotees, and we have to learn a lot from them. And it's an extraordinary feeling when we meet all the devotees here from all over USA. Thank you so much. Sai Ram.
It is my distinct pleasure to be here in Sai Baba temple in Baldwin to celebrate the 20th anniversary of this temple. It is really heart-touching to see Dr. Nori, who is a world-renowned oncologist, Padam Shri. He is such a devotee of Sri Sai Baba, and it shows that of course science has its place in the universe. At the same time, spirituality is also very important.
Action.
Sai Ram.
मम आग्ने वर्चो विहवेश्वस्तु भजन्त्वें धान तनुवं पुषेम मह्यं न मन्दां प्रतिधस्य दस्त्रस्त्वयाध्यक्षेण कृतनाजेम मम देवा विहवे सन्तु सर्व इन्द्रावन्तो मरुतो विष्णुरग्निः.
It was a wonderful experience. Initially when we started it, we had no idea what we were doing, where we were going. But eventually, with all the devotees' help and then Baba's grace, we were able to achieve a lot of things here, not just from a religious point of view, but also Balvikas, through Balvikas, we did a lot of things here. SAT classes, dance classes, music classes, and that's just to name a few. And also we conducted health-related activities here. We did influenza vaccines and also blood pressures, blood drive. A multifaceted approach we took, basically to be helpful to the communities. And also we often get a lot of fruits and flowers, so we used to send them to the nursing homes as well. So it was, all in all, a very long and very pleasant journey, and we are glad to be able to help the community this way.
You were mentioning about this chairman of this temple being Baba, and then I was reminded of the chairman of Parikh Worldwide Media and ITV also, Padma Shri Dr. Sudhir Parikh also is Sai Baba's devotee, and he also has an association with the inception of this temple.
Exactly. He's one of the biggest supporters and devotees of Baba, and he is in fact was the chief guest when we inaugurated this mandir 20 years ago, and I want to thank him for that. And this mandir has grown to has become a place of worship for all devotees on east coast of America, and a place for peace and tranquility, and almost like a pilgrimage for Sai devotees on the eastern part of America.
Sai Ram, my name is Lakshmi. I'm coming from New Jersey. It's been more than 20 years this temple has started, and we have been visiting from inception to this temple from New Jersey and Edison area. So on our request sometime in 2007-2008, the same temple, Dr. Nori Foundation, has started like another one in Islin. So we now go more frequently to that, but we still come here very often. We're so much associated with Baba and also Dr. Nori and our family. Thank you so much.
Sai Ram everyone. Congratulations to Baldwin devotees and Sai Bhaktas here, and congratulations to Dr. Garu also. We are, I come often here to have darshan. Whenever we come, we get so much peace here, mental peace, and I just want to sit here and pray, to Baba for some time. And the same Nori Foundation, we have it in New Jersey also, Sai Mandir USA, and there we take care of that mandir there. So this is a great opportunity to come here and see this 20th anniversary here. We never witnessed anything like this. So this is the blessings of Baba. Thank you, Sai Ram.
Hello everyone, good afternoon, Sai Ram. My name is Shrisha. I am from New Jersey. I came here to visit Baba today for the 20th anniversary of this mandir. I'm really, really blessed. I feel really blessed to be here. Thank you so much.
Om Sai Ram. This is Chandu and my wife Suma. I would like to share a couple of experiences related to Sai at Baldwin Mandir. So 16 years ago, I used to come every week all the way from Edison to Baldwin to do seva here. It's from morning 8 through closing time. At that time I was strongly praying, Baba, why don't you come to New Jersey so that I can serve every day instead of weekly. He really blessed us in 2008 with the help of Dr. Nori sir. He started Islin Temple, and it is very close to our home, 7 miles away. From then onwards, I've been serving each and every day, every minute. Islin Sai Mandir is our first home. It's not just a small miracle, but my wife Suma, she's coming from a family. They don't much follow the spiritual activities, but after visiting Islin Mandir every day with me, now she is a staunch devotee of Datta Parampara, and I'm really, really, really blessed. These are very, I can say that small miracles, but I have tons. Time won't permit, but I always wanted to be blessed with Sai's blessings all the time, and my only request is from Baba is that Shraddha Saburi is, that's all I need.
और अब आज का विजनोवेशा वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम समाप्त करने से पहले हम आपको याद दिला दें कि आप फेसबुक पर अगर अभी तक ITV गोल्ड के मित्र नहीं बने हैं तो अब ये शुभ मुहूर्त आ चुका है। आज आप फेसबुक पर ITV गोल्ड के फ्रेंड बन जाएं, साथ ही साथ सब्सक्राइब करें हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को और अपने पत्र हमें लिखते रहें। ईमेल ID है events@itvgold.com। अपना ख्याल रखें। बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ, मंगल कामनाएं, धन्यवाद। अशोक व्यास को अनुमति दें। नमस्कार।